Tuesday, it's World Nutella Day. And who doesn't love Nutella?
I love Nutella. I'm not sure. If you don't love Nutella, I'm not sure why. Well, so we're going to celebrate World Nutella Day, and we're celebrating it just in a fabulous way because you might know of this really awesome bakery. It's the Popover Bistro and Bakery in Simsbury, and Pam Paydos is here, and you can use Nutella in just about anything, but I think you guys have some really creative ways of enjoying it.
Yes, we love Nutella. We put it on so many different things at the restaurant.
Which is remarkable.
Yeah.
And the line out the door for Sunday brunch is also pretty remarkable. So
you
said get there early.
Get there early, 8 a.m.
8 a.m. for Sunday
you can
brunch.
Get in quickly.
All right. So popovers, I think it's probably one of the most complicated things to make, and you make it look like it's like this.
Oh, it's so easy to make popovers.
Really? Everybody says that. Everybody who makes a popover says how easy it is to make a popover.
Eggs, milk, and flour.
That's it?
Yes, and you just need the oven to be super hot and the pans to be hot.
And Nutella goes with a popover.
Oh yeah, we're going to put it all over this. I thought Scott might enjoy squeezing Nutella all over that popover.
Is this a big piping bottle of Nutella?
Where does one get a container of Nutella that's this size? Because
Restaurant Depot.
Exactly. That's exactly where I was.
Because we run out a lot in our house, and maybe if we had the jug, that would be very good.
Look at the size of this thing of Nutella.
When my daughter went to college, she made me send her off with one of those.
Oh yeah.
Seriously?
Yes.
Just a whole. This would last what, about 2 weeks?
I don't know.
In college.
I don't know. It's scary.
Maybe even a week.
So show us the recipe.
Okay, so we are making Nutella banana bread. And we're going to do different things with that at the restaurant. We're making French toast, which is right there. But over in this mixing bowl, if you want to crack a couple eggs, we can start making it.
You want me to crack the eggs right into the mixing bowl?
Yeah.
Okay, whole eggs.
So this is the French toast, Nutella French toast?
Exactly, so it's the bread.
This
sliced.
is the Nutella bread?
Yep, Nutella banana bread.
Nutella banana bread.
Oh my gosh.
It's unbelievable.
All right, so I put the eggs in.
Put the eggs in, some sugar.
Okay.
I'm gonna pour some butter in.
Butter goes in?
Yep.
Okay.
You want to do that?
There we go.
Okay, so we're going to cream the eggs in the sugar.
Exactly. And we need to get these bananas mashed up. And I heard that you like to do things like that.
I love to mash.
So I got some gloves, and I think the easiest way is to do it with your hands.
Let's see.
It's plugged in, just low setting. Yeah, just let it spin just for a second. Doesn't need too much.
All right, here we go.
Mash up some bananas. We can pour some vanilla in there. This is a super easy banana bread recipe.
The whole recipe is putting the gloves on.
Now, I went to the Nutella Cafe in New York City recently.
Oh, really?
It was really cool. Like, they show all the different things you can do with Nutella, which you have many of them here. But what do you think it is about Nutella that everybody just loves it? Even
because they consider it healthy because there's a nut in it.
Yeah. My kids do say that. They're like, Mom, it's hazelnut spread.
Exactly. You can get your kids to eat anything if
you put a little Nutella on it.
That's something very therapeutic about what I'm doing right here, is mashing all these bananas together.
Yeah, it's perfect, actually.
Is that good?
Yeah, you can put those right in.
Okay.
So Nutella is actually originally from Italy, is that correct?
It is.
Yeah, okay. So we know the Italians know their food. You want help with this? Okay,
No,
you did that with
You sure you got it?
Yep, I got it right in there.
All right, so we have eggs, we have sugar, we have butter, and we have banana.
Yeah, you might want to lift that up, and we'll put some flour in it too.
Lift this up. Okay, hang on.
Yep, just it's not even locked.
Okay.
Thank you. You need it all in there.
So you're just gonna, you can dump the flour. We don't have to add it slowly or anything.
No.
Little baking soda?
Yep, little baking soda.
Okay.
Pardon me as I lick my gloves.
This is a nice quick, and just do low setting so it doesn't fly everywhere.
Oh, I love bananas.
Now you just need to pour some Nutella on your fingers too. That would be perfect.
Licking rubber gloves?
Yeah, I am.
That's a new low. Okay. All right. So while we're mixing this up, you're gonna. Oh, you can also just order a popover with Nutella.
Yes, exactly. This is our loaded popover. We actually put sliced bananas and Nutella on a hot popover, and you can get this at any time.
Any time of the day.
Any time of the day. Open to close.
Now, did you have to do something to Nutella to make it squeeze out of a bottle?
We just keep it warm on top of the stove. So I actually warmed it up here a little bit.
Oh, that was...
Yeah, it did get cold on the drive over.
All right, so I think we've got a nice mixture here. And I want to make sure you can show everyone at home how you do this. So this is your batter, is that right?
Yep, so we're going to put about a quarter of that in the base of this pan.
Okay.
We have about 30 seconds just to give you a little time.
And then if you want to squirt some Nutella.
Right on top of it?
Yep, okay, stop right now. You don't put it all in. And then you're going to spread it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then put a nice layer of Nutella. You have to give it a good hard squeeze.
All right. And so you just layer the Nutella, and that's it? It goes in the oven?
Exactly. It's
And
a
that's
really easy banana bread.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sure it gets more than
And
this.
so just layer the Nutella as much as you like. I would want a lot. And you bake it, what, 350?
Bake it 350 for 45 minutes.
Okay,
Oh
how
my
many
gosh.
layers?
Till
do you-
toothpick comes out clean.
Do you put more on top of that?
Put more on top, yes.
And then you do more Nutella.
Exactly.
This is really simple.
So you can stop
so
there or
simple.
keep
So
going.
good.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so you can always check out our website, betterct.com, to watch this video and try and do that, or you can go to Popover's to check out the delicious treats that they have. Popover
right
Bistro and Bakery has wonderful things. You can check them out. They're right on Hopmeadow Street in Simsbury.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
You can also visit their website, popoversimsbury.com. This is remarkable.
I mean,